त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्ष्य मामृतात्।
ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपवस्रवत्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनश्कण्भन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम्। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करभावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। Namaskaram to all aspirants of Vedanta. Welcome once again back to this session where we have taken up the Kathopanishad explanation. Now we are going through the first kanda, first volume, and today we are going to take up the 17th mantra for recitation in Sanskrit, then transliteration part in English, and a brief and concise meaning about it, and thereafter we are going to see a bit more detail on this mantra, what it says. Now let me recite the mantra. Trinachiketa tripirhridya santim trikarmakrit taradijanna mrityo brahmajagnyam devamityam vididva nityaye mahum santi madhyantameti. Now, we shall see the English translation part of this mantra. The Nachiketa's fire lit and thus meditate upon thrice the spiritual knowledge gathered from source of thrice, the austerities relating to trio, the trikarma performed thrice, assuming the self within self as Virat Swarupa suffice, surpasses the births and the rebirths, the knower of the sources precise, stays one with the Brahma beside Devatas at the paradise. Now let us go to the gist of the mantra. One who does Nachiketa's sacrifice thrice and gathers spiritual knowledge from three sources, that is from father, next from mother, and lastly from guru. So supposed to be the three karma performed, assumes himself as Virat and surpasses the chain of birth and death. Now let us go to a bit more explanation part of the mantra. Number 3 governs a special importance in all our rituals. Many in our Hindu Dharma are seen very close to number 3. Nachiketas waiting at the doorsteps of Yamaloka for 3 nights and 3 days attaches the very importance right from the outset of this story. Triguna, Tripura, Triloka, Trimurtis, Mata, Pita, Guru, Tribhuvana, Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika, Adi Atmika, then Sattva, Rajas, Tamas, the Gunas, then the gross, subtle and causal the bodies, then Karma, Bhakti, Jnana the Marga, Trilochana, the right eye, the left eye and the center eye. The time that is past, present and future refers to the 3 times. Trikonaka, 3 angles of a triangle that subtends an equilateral triangle, and the abode of Sri Mata are the only a few that we are able to quote here. There are a lot and lot referring to the number 3. The importance of number 3 therefore needs no stress at all. Triparetya sandhim trikarmakrit tarati janma mrityu brahmajajnam devamityam vididha. So let us go to the explanation part of this particular vakya. In line with this, perhaps Yamadi Mrityu says that the one who performs his Nachiketa's fire 3 times, the one who does his duty to father, then to mother, and to the Acharya unfailingly, and one who, as a Karmakandi, performs Yajnam, Adhyanam, and Dhanam. That is, he should do the fire sacrifice, learning of Vedas and scriptures, and giving away gifts needed to the needy. These 3 are able to surpass the births and rebirths. Such persons do not experience Vedam amongst the Jivas. He gets deserving of worshipping Devatas who will further guide him to the grace and blessings of an enlightened status. A Sakshatkara of Atma Bhava, and is able to experience the highest bliss, getting seated in the Buddhi, the abode of Atman. Mother plays a role of showing good virtues and samskaras. Father takes the sthana of the first Acharya, and Guru is the one who takes one out of the darkness of the mind. The one who performs this fire sacrifice thrice will be addressed as Srinachiketa. Jnanam, Adhyanam, and Anushtana. Upon fire, the Virat is able also to be addressed as Srinachiketa. Triparetya sandhim refers to the one who gets the full blessings and upadesam of father, mother, and Acharya. He gets the samskara in full. These 3 are the trio form the responsible source for one to inculcate Shraddha, the devotion, and faith, the belief in the traditions. Mathuruman, Pituruman, Acharyaman is a text seen in Brihadaranya. This also means Pratyaksha Anubhava, the one experienced through senses. Anumana, Anubhavam, the Anubhava are the experiences through the inferences. And Agama Anubhavam, the source through which one gets the Atmajnana. So, this is about the explanation part of this mantra, and we have got lot more to discuss in the ensuing mantras 18, 19, 20 and up to 29 in this first chapter or first value we call it. Therefore, we will have this reserved for the next session, and for now let me take leave of you all with a good prayer that God be with you ever and guide us in the right beaten path where our jnanis have traced their path. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahavijyan Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamattu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Purnamada Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Asato ma Sadghamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirghamaya Mrityorma Mritam Ghamaya. Om Shanti शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम्।